Okay, so if I have to click on this Pi shuttle, it is opening in new tab. So how do I deal with that? Right. So this concept is called as window. This concept can be handled by using the window handles. That the theory part is this, like we have 6 types of pop-up, right? In this, it is a 6th pop-up. Okay, so this can be handled by using a driver dot get window handles that will get like all window handles. Then you can do driver dot switch to dot on method is there dot window, and this window will take window handle of that particular page. Okay, how do we do that? We'll just see. We'll just create one class and do it. Okay, now I'll create one class that is window handle practice. Window handle test. Okay, I have created. So in order to do this, again, this thing remains the same, right? I'll have to come here and I'll have to log into that and keep. This set of lines remains the same, right? As I said you people, like throughout my testing, it remains the same. So once I come after login, what I should do next? I have to click on this, right? If I have to click on this, first I need to find this, right? So Spice Shuttle is my thing. So I'll just find the XPath for this Spice Shuttle. My tag is anchor tag A, then contains text, comma, value. Okay. Okay. One match found is that Spice Shuttle. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll just find this element. First, if I have to click on that, driver dot find element. I'll ask my driver to find that by dot XPath. Okay, then I'll pass that XPath. What I'll do now, I have found that element. What driver dot find element will return? It is returning web element, right? So I'll store it in web element. Web element. Okay, this is Spice Shuttle. I'll store it in one variable that is Spice Shuttle. This is my user defined. Okay. Okay, I have found that. Now, after finding, I'll have to, what is my action? My action says like I need to click on that, right? I clicked. Okay. Now, as I said you, like I have to go there and do some action. Okay, have I come here correctly or not? I'll have to find. How do I do that? Okay, I'll find this after coming here. I'll just find this element if I have come here properly or not. Just I'll try to inspect this, which is the tag, anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag, text function equal to this value. Okay. This is one match found, right? I'll just find this element and do the get text of that element just to make sure that give the checkpoint I have landed here correctly. Okay, I'll just do driver dot find element by dot XPath. Okay, I have found that element. Okay, I'll just give my XPath expression was this, right? So what driver dot find elements it will return? It will return a web element, right? I'll store it in one web element. This is some text I'm verifying, right? I've stored it in this variable. So for this element, I can do a get text, right? Just to check the text of that. Get text, right? What get text method will return? Get text method will return, it will return string. So I'll store it in string variable. String shuttle test. I'll just some text, right? I've stored it in some text variable. Okay, I've stored it in this. Now I'll just print and see if it is correct or not. System.out.println the text on the page is, I'll just print this variable, whatever is there. Okay, and but if I have to find the element here on the child page, my browser or my driver will not understand. I have some child page. When I do like driver.findElement right here, driver.findElement by XPath, it will try to search in this page, home page, because I have not passed the control to the child page. If I want to do some action on the child page or child tab, I have to pass first control to the child page. So how do we do that? Okay, just see carefully now. Before doing this, okay, before from finding some element or doing some action, first I need to switch to child element. So how do I do? So I have driver dot find element. Okay, driver dot switch get window handles method is there. Okay, driver dot get window handles, existing method we have driver dot get window handles. See what it is returning, set of string. Why it is set? When, okay, I'll explain to people what is set and list. In like list is a interface, okay, set also is a interface. Okay, list allows like duplicate, set will not allow duplicate. Like in brief, we'll say in our further classes, this is a concept of Java. Okay, list will allow duplicate, set will not allow duplicate. Okay, now in our case is like all window handles have a unique ID, right? So it returns a set of string because each window they'll have a unique ID. Those will not be a duplicated one. So it will return a set of string. Set of string. Okay, I'll store it in one variables. All handles. Okay, now I need to import this by using Java from Java util package. I have imported. Now I have my all handles. In this, maybe like I have one handle, two handle, three handle, four handles. Like I don't know how many handles are there. But I want to pass my cursor to the child handle. So how do I do? I have showed you people, right? In this code, it will return driver.getWindowHandles will return a set of string. Now I should iterate those window handles. How do I iterate? Means one by one I need to just iterate. Iterating means getting one by one all window handles. In this I have all handles, right? I have a iterator method called iterator. This will return a iterator string. Okay, iterator, okay, string. Okay, I'll just ITR, I'll put it. Okay, now I have this iterator. Iterator, what it will do for us? It will get one by one. Okay, first now I'll get parent handle. How will I get? I'll show you people. Okay, now you have your iterator, right? So I have my iterator ITR. ITR dot what it is like, how we are iterating. Okay, next is there or not. Okay, next. Now first cursor wherever it was there, now you have like just think that you have here one line, then next line, then next line, this like this it will be there. Okay, first thing it will just put it, then it will go to cursor to the next thing. This is a concept of Java, we'll see it later. Now you just think that, imagine in your mind like it is taking one by one. Now when it came to here, now what it does, it came like you just assume like in our case we have two window handles, right? The cursor was there in the first thing. So what it does, it came here and it got the first element. So it will be like first window handle, right? So as you saw here, you people saw, right, how it was iterating. First it will get all window handles. Then iterate means check one by one. Okay, it iterated. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm getting a first window handle. How do I get? String parent window handle. Okay, the first one was my parent window handle. Now it will check, okay, is there any next element is there or not? Now it shows like next element is there in our case, right? Two window handles, right? So there will be two element. First element was window handle, then it will check, okay, next element is there or not. Okay, it is true. Now next element is there. Again, what it will do? Again, itr dot next. Again, it will go. Now cursor was there in the child window, right? Again, I'll print it in child window. String child window. Okay. Now I have found my parent window and child window. Now it will check here again. It's stored in the this thing itr.next. Again, it will check itr.next. Do I have any window handle? I don't have because I had only two, right? It is false. Then it will stop automatically. There were two window handles. It will check, okay, first one was parent I give, second one was child I give. Now I don't have any further, so it is false. It will come out of this. Okay. Okay. Now I have found my window handle. This is my, I'll just print and show you people how it looks. Okay. SYSOU parent handle. Okay. I'll just print this. Then in the same way, I'll put child handle. Child handle. I'll just print this one. Okay, I have found that. Now I know both the window handles. After clicking on this, I have got. But what the thing I need to do? I need to switch, right? Now I have done like I have got the window handles by using like driver.with handles. Now by using I got parent window handle, child window handle. Now I want to go to the child page. So how do I do? Driver dot, I have one method called switch2 dot window. Okay, what that window is taking? Set of like string argument, right? What is that string argument? This child window, whichever you are placing. Just keep it here. Okay, you're telling your driver to switch to go to the child window by passing that window handle. Okay, now it went there. After going there, what it does, once if the cursor is on the child window, it will just try to find this element, and if it is found, it will just tell, okay, the text on the page, child page is this one. It will just display that. Okay, then if I have to come back to my parent window, do you think now again if I do driver.findElement again, if I do here, if I want to come back and if I want to do something on my parent window, do you think it will understand? It will not understand. If you have to do something on the parent window again you'll have to switch back to the driver dot switch to dot window. Now, if I have to do some action on the parent window, in that case again I'll have to pass the control back to my parent. It will not understand automatically. All right, this is all about window handle. Now we'll see if it works or not. Okay. Okay. See, it is launching a browser. It is getting to the URL. Then it will maximize now. Then it will log in. Just logging in. Then it is clicking on Spy Shuttle. Then it is come. See, now control is in Spy Shuttle. right? Okay. See, you guys saw, right, how window handles look? See, we have come
IT next.
successfully. Yeah, we have come successfully to the child page and we have found this element. Also, parent window handle was this was this, and those will be unique. Okay, this is what all about the new window or new tab, like how do we handle them.